West Side. Who banging on the Transformers? These trick ass niggas quick to tuck they tail. But fuck that, you know how we get.
Can't get enough of this gangster shit.
It's the Don, go let them know.
Wait.
That is right, guys. The day has come, man. It is now Friday, July 27th. And today is, well, it's supposed to be the very last day. The very last day you can enter yourself to win the wing. But I am going to extend it until tomorrow. Just to make things a little bit easier, I'm going to extend it until noon. 12 o'clock tomorrow. Mountain Standard Time, whatever. So you have until noon tomorrow to get yourself on the list, dude. This is your very, 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 very last chance, man. So, all right, I'm just dropping a really quick video, brother. Today's really not, I mean, we're not doing shit, to be straight up with you. It is my birthday. I want to say thank you to every single one of you guys who messaged me, whether it's on Facebook or on Instagram. Dude, I woke up this morning and my phone was like hot. And I think it's because of all the messages I got from you guys wishing me a happy birthday. And I just want to say thank you to every one of you. I really do appreciate it, man. I felt the love this morning, you know what I mean? When I got up and I checked my phone, so that's what's up, dude. So anyhow, guys, it is my birthday, so I'm not gonna be out here in the garage working on this stuff. But it is only Friday, dog. I still have Saturday and Sunday to get out here and get some stuff done, which I most certainly am. So make sure that you catch the video on Monday. Smash that like button. Don't forget to get yourself on the list if you guys want to pick up that wing. Man, I don't even know what I'm gonna do today, but I do plan on getting fucked up. I'll see you guys on Monday, man. Peace out.
It's the Don, go let them know. Unwettable, big fish, incredible. Who banging on the white collars? Got $1 dollars, still rolling Impalas. I'm bombing.